Merriam-Webster's Word of the Day for August 14th. Today's word is shard, spelled S-H-A-R-D. Shard is a noun. It refers to a small piece or part of something and is often used as a synonym of the word scrap. Here's the word used in a sentence from Scientific American by Aaron Martin. The hunter struck his weapon to sharpen its edge in anticipation. In that moment, 2 glassy flakes splintered away from the point of impact and fell to his feet. They would be buried there for nearly 10,000 years. In 2013, those 2 shards of obsidian, a natural volcanic glass, would be recovered from a sample of earth, roughly the volume of a quart of milk, that was pulled from the bottom of Lake Huron under 100 feet of water. The word shard dates back to Old English and is related to the Old English word sciaran, meaning to cut. English speakers have adopted the modernized shard spelling S-H-A-R-D for most uses, but archaeologists prefer to spell the word S-H-E-R-D when referring to the ancient fragments of pottery, sometimes referred to specifically as potsherds, they unearth. While shard, S-H-A-R-D, initially referred to exactly such items, today the word is also used more broadly to encompass slivers of intangible concepts. A baseless accusation may be made without a shard of evidence, and fans of the losing team may cling to a shard of hope until the final score. With your word of the day, I'm Peter Sokol.